So hello YouTube. Today finally I brought Soundcore Anchor Live Q10. There is lots of hype on internet. I don't know that's hype or that reality that this is the best headphone for bass heads out there. Today I decided to test it out if it's true. So finally after lots of research I brought this product from Flipkart. Here it is. Supports high resolution audio. There is dedicated bass up button, but if this button adds like the bass boost, I'm not gonna use it. And even if it is having the bass boost should be down to 25-30 hertz, not the mid bass like 40-50 hertz. Okay, so it has 60 hours playback. I don't think there is any other headphone which can do that. Fast charging, I don't care. And USB type C, yeah, that is helpful. Soundcore by Anchor, back piece, Life Q10 model. .40 mm drivers, high resolution audio. Let me camera. So now you are seeing clearly from my main camera. You can see all the specs over here. So this is most trending headphone out there. 7,000 rupees is the MRP, guys. Okay, let me open it very quickly for you. So there is little damage. Okay guys, see this, the box is tempered. Let's hope everything inside is neat and safe. So this is how the box looks like. This is the original product. Let me open it very quick for you. This is aux cable, good quality it is. This is type C cable for charging the headphone, and these are the headphones. Headphones are in good shape, no damage. Here is cushioning. Strangely, yeah, user manual is here. Now, as you know, I am car audio guy. I will give honest feedback. The base we love is the premium expensive base. Okay, this is all you get in the box. What is this? I don't know what is this for. So this is for the feedback. This is the safety manual. This is the user guide. The red LED is for the battery low purpose. Okay. You can connect two phones at a time, it says. It has 18 months warranty. Let's keep it aside. Now let me test it and I will get back to you. Here, I hope you got the idea how it looks. Here they have written inside right and left. Now I'll turn it on, and after having some listening to some extremely low bass sounds, I will get back to you. Okay guys, stay tuned. So guys, now I got these headphones off. Okay, so this is how they fit. One thing I want to tell you that, see, I have kept it on minimum size, but they are not fully tight on my ears. And if you have smaller face than mine, then this will be pretty much loose. And unless and until you press them like this, you won't get the proper bass. Okay, the bass is amazing. I done the sound frequency test also, and this headphone goes down till 20 hertz. Okay, and that is some serious bass. And above 30-35 hertz, it is not so impressive, and that is what I was looking for. I was looking for the low frequency bass only, but this is not like in-ear headphones that all the bass will go inside your head directly or your ears. Okay, this is over the ear headphone, and you will feel bass. You will not hear the bass. You will feel the bass slapping on your eardrums. That is the difference between over the ear and in-ear headphones. And if you are used to have the in-ear headphones till now, this might be less impressive. Okay, because you will lose some efficiency. You can use some physics or common sense. Okay, the speakers are far away from your ears in this case, because those are big 40 drivers, whereas in-ear case there is canal. Okay, the vacuum canal directly bass goes inside your eardrums, and that hits your eardrums clearly. That's why you can hear that clear bass. Now, right now, these headphones are connected to my smartphone, and I don't know whether it's capturing the audio from this mic or my smartphone's mic, but I am purposefully doing that. Okay, so that it will be clear for you. This is how it looks. The build quality is very good, even though it's made in China, but the brand is very good. Okay, so with time, I think after break-in, these drivers will sound even better after the break-in period, and this cushioning will go flat and will go better close to my ears. I want the placement like this, as close as possible, so that I can hear complete efficiency, proper bass, proper output. Okay, now even though I turn the bass up mode to normal, still I am getting pretty good bass, and that is what all the reviewers or YouTube are telling. Here I am to tell you something different than what others tell. The tonal performance of these headphones is like Sennheiser Street 180. Those headphones also have good low end punch. Those are in-ear headphones. Wired headphones cost less than half of this. Okay, but I'm giving you just an example, or you can consider the JBL headphones also. So the tonal performance is slightly V-shaped, and you will have better low frequencies in these headphones. Okay, and my purpose was exactly the same. I was looking for only low frequency. I don't care I get mid bass or something like that. Mid bass is the fake bass. I hate it. Okay, and those bot and all China stuff are out there. Those people think like they are making good products or good bass, but that is the fake bass, guys. Okay, that is not the pleasant or actual low frequency bass. Even in home audio or car audio, you can see that only premium level subwoofers can produce low frequency bass, and they are always expensive. So this product is definitely worth it and value for money. The best part is you are getting a massive battery and the long music playback duration. One con about this headphone is they are not close to my ears right now. That is what I didn't like. And another thing is I get the irritation sometimes when I am getting slapping bass on my eardrums, and I feel too I should remove it for a couple of seconds and then I'll put them back. This is my experience so far. I will do in-depth review when I will use it fully. This was just first impression. Don't take me wrong. Okay, might be, not might be, 90% the sound will improve with the time, and the fitment too, because the cushioning is new and also the drivers are new. They need some flexibility, let them break in, and then I will make another video for you guys. Stay tuned for it. Subscribe, live loud. Thanks for watching.